As a manager, you will get into scenarios where you will have sometimes team members who will earn more than you, which means, for example, your salary will be around 15 lakhs, but you will have to hire people who will probably have 18 lakhs or 20 lakhs of salary. In the IT world, all these things are possible. And let me explain why. The primary reason is because as a manager, you have a specific skill set, which is mostly around project management. And your job is to govern the project. Your job is to take care of the time, cost, quality, scope, risk issues, etc. And in the process, you may need specialist people. You may need technical specialists. You may need domain specialists. And sometimes these specialists are very rare, which means very few people available in the market. And because the demand is high and the supply is low, the salary of these specialists are very high. And as a project manager, if you need to execute the project, you need them. There is no way that you can execute the project without them. So you will have to onboard them. So these are scenarios where you will have to hire team members who will have pretty high salary than yourself. And there's no need to compare your salary with their salary because both of you come with a different skill set and expertise. Now, this was scenario number 1. Now, let's go to scenario number 2. And this happens with a lot of managers who come and crib or complain about some team member who got such a good offer from the market that they are not able to retain them. In fact, forget about retaining, the salary that the team member has got in the offer is way more than what this manager is earning. Now, why this happens? Again, the primary reason is the skill set and the demand supply. But we also need to understand that as a manager, if you are working in the same company for 8 to 10 years or more, if you have not taken the effort to find a new job, if you have not taken effort to learn a new technology, if you are just a regular project manager without expertise in any specific technology or domain, then you can't compare your salary with young people who are ready to switch jobs, who are ready to learn new technologies, and who are ready to take some calculated risk, as well as who are ready to get outside of their comfort zone. You may not have changed your job in 8 to 10 years, but this guy might have changed 2 or 3 jobs in 3 to 6 years. And it is a fact, and everybody knows that if you have the right skills and if you switch jobs, your salary grows. So the comparison itself is not fair. If you are comparing your situation with your team member's situation and you are saying, oh, I have 20 years of experience. As a manager, I am earning less as compared to this guy who is half in terms of years of experience as compared to me, but his salary is now going to become more than me. Right? So that comparison itself is not fair. So what you need to do is you need to come out of your shell. And I understand everybody has their own priorities. If you are in a phase of life where you don't want to come out of your shell, where you are comfortable doing what you are doing, and there is a specific genuine reason behind it, then no problem. But otherwise, if you feel too comfortable with your job, if you are laid back, if you are not learning, if you're working in the same place for many years, then you need to give yourself a push. That push is not going to come from outside. That push needs to come from within. All right, that's the message I wanted to share in this video today. Let me know what you think about it in comments. If you like the video, do share it in your network. I'll see you in another video soon. Take care and bye for now.